In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cyberpunk music in Soundation. We'll build a driving beat, a gritty bass, a neon-soaked melody, and then give everything that signature cyber polish with a couple of powerful effects. By the end, you'll have the core of a dark, futuristic track ready to expand. Start with the beat. Set your tempo anywhere between 100 and 140 BPM, depending on how intense you want it to feel. Open the beatmaker and choose an industrial or techno kit for that metallic, hard-hitting character. Lay down a heavy kick on every beat to create a relentless pulse. Then place a snare on beats 2 and 4 to lock in the rhythm. Keep the kick punchy and the snare sharp so they carve through the mix. If the groove feels stiff, lightly adjust the velocity of a few hits to add weight without changing the pattern. Loop 1 or 2 bars and let it run so you can build the rest of the track against a steady foundation. Next, add the gritty bass. Create a new instrument track with the wub machine. For presets, search for Merc Bass or French Lead. Both deliver the thick, aggressive tone that defines this style. Play or draw a simple bass line that follows your song's root notes and supports the kick. Short, deliberate notes work well and leave space for the drums to breathe. Keep the level controlled so the low end is strong but not muddy. You'll enhance the movement in a moment. Now bring in the neon melody. Add either the VA synth or the simple synth, then load a supersaw or daft lead preset. These bright, wide timbres give you that neon in the rain feeling. Create a lead or chordal hook that sits above the bass without crowding it. To set the scene, add the reverb effect to this synth. Aim for a medium to long decay with a moderate mix so it feels spacious, like it's echoing through a vast, rainy city, but still stays clear in the arrangement. Finally, add the cyber polish. On your bass track, insert the fakey effect to make it pump in sync with the drum beat. Dial in the amount so the bass ducks just enough to groove with the kick without disappearing. Then, add the degrader effect to your synths to introduce glitchy, lo-fi digital grit. Adjust the reduction and mix to taste, enough texture to feel futuristic, but not so much that it masks the melody. That's it. Build the beat, drive it with bass, light it with neon, and polish it with movement and grit. Save your project and keep exploring variations to make it uniquely yours.